Hello guys, this is Mahbub, and in this video I will show you how you can set up a professional Upwork account to get the job. So first of all, let's go to upwork.com, and if I search on Upwork for Facebook ads, jobs is here, and we want to find talent, so we will select talent and then enter. Okay, and we will find only top rated freelancer. Okay, okay, you can see some seller from here, and if I want to open one account, let's see from his account Gulbaz. Okay, he served Facebook campaign, social media ads expert, social media marketing, and he's almost earned 30,000, and he has a good cover photo. It looks very good. This type of cover photo, it's easy to read, and because like paragraph, we don't like this type of overview you can use. It will help best to attract the client when they will come to your profile. And the most important thing here, you can set up a consultation. So if client is interested to book a consultation, they can definitely just book a consultation from here. And the most important thing here is you must add your portfolio to your profile. You must have to add your portfolio, because without portfolio, without work experience, client does not want to give you work, because they don't trust newbie, and they will spend money on skilled people, not on newbie. Okay, and most important thing here is you must add your skills from here. And you can also create a project catalog, because if you want to get job on Upwork, you need to buy connects and you need to use them to apply for the jobs. But if you get job by catalog like Fiverr Gig, you don't need to put any money on investment. So this is how you can. And you can, if you have any certification, you must need to add your certification, employment history, and other experience. So if you need more detailed video, comment below. I will make a detailed video for you how you can do that all. But if you don't need, you can also do it yourself if you focus on this, how you can do. So this is how you can set up a professional Upwork account. And if you need any kind of help, comment me below. Thank you. Bye bye.